Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is Introduction of AI. This is your last chapter. Right? In this chapter we will learn about what do you mean by AI, what are the applications of AI, what are the major fields of AI, where it is used, and what are the future recommendations. AI means artificial intelligence, in which we are making a machine, intelligent machine that like a human being, which can take a decision as a human being. We are replicating a machine as a human.
Now I am going to tell you how computers are better than the human being. When it comes to Google tasks in the repetition manner or solving a complex problem, machines can perform better than the humans. The ability to store and retain information and performing a complex calculation in a computer is far better than the human. In this picture, you can see a human is doing a calculation and he can solve a problem in 1 or 2 minutes, but a computer can solve any problem within a 1 second, right? So which one is better? Obviously, computer can perform better than the human being. Computer scores high in perfection and diligence, but when it comes to accumulating information and taking decisions based on collected information for an individual, computers lag far behind because human can take a decision based upon their past experience and their logics, but the computer will only work on the algorithms which we saved. After a long research and trials, humans are finally close to making a machines that can take any decisions just like a human being. Now we are going to learn what do you mean by AI. AI means artificial intelligence, a way of making a computer or robot just think like a human. Basically, AI is the ability of a machine to perceive its environment and take the decision in order to achieve a definite goal. Here you can see that various applications of AI are there: automation, play against computer, self-driving car, right? So this car is not a manual car. This is the self-driving car. Now you can see in this slide there are two cars, car 1 and car 2. Car 1 is the self-driving car where AI technology is used. Car 2 is the manual car where a human being is sitting inside the car and he is perceiving the environment with his ears, with his eyes, with his brain, and taking the action with their hands and their feet. Right? In the car 2, you can see this thing. There is no machine, there is no technology is used. Only the human being is perceiving the environment and taking the action depend upon the environment, which is related to its speed, gear, shift, acceleration. All the things are taken by the person who is driving the car. But in the car 1, in the second slide here you can see in the car 1, this car is driven by the AI where various cameras and sensors mounted on the car help it in scanning the surrounding environment. The information collected by the cameras and the sensor is stored in the car's storage unit, which is processed by the computer CPU, and the CPU along with the other electronic device help in controlling the motions of the car. Now, this is not only the scenario where AI is used. AI is widely used in other fields as well, like the agriculture, education, medicine. Now, we are going to discuss the various applications of AI one by one. The first applications of these are various applications. Now, the first application about the agriculture we are going to learn. In the agriculture field, AI related apps can help the farmers in planning the agricultural cycle according to recent climate change that can have been happening. It helps in seeking harvesting of the crops at the suitable time. So in the agriculture, it will collect the picture with the help of the camera, and the pictures are going to help us with the AI technology that what type of problem are there in the crops and how we can make our crops more better. In the healthcare facility of the application, in this Doctors is diagnosing the complex disorders like cancers, diabetic, and such is the advantage of trend in the upcoming years. Like Google, Microsoft, and IBM are investing huge amount on money of AI. Customer support. In this customer support application, it helps to develop the chatbot based on the NLP which are providing the customer by resolving customer product related query. This chatbot you can see in any of the website. It can be in the railway website, it is there in the Paytm as well. In the right hand side, there is a one chatbot is there, but there is no person, there is a AI machine is enabled which is help to solve any complex problem. Next application is space exploration. It help in identification of the different planets and exploration, mapping of different zone. It basically help you to provide the space agencies the identifications of the planets. Next is the manufacturing industry. AI is playing a significant role in converting the traditional manufacturing system to the automated systems. These are all the applications of the AI. In the next lecture, we will learn about the benefits of the AI. Thank you so much.